Claude Artifacts, the plain version. It is Monday morning. The same question lands on your screen the same way it lands every week. What does the week look like? What is at risk? And what is on my plate? The standard routine with an AI chat goes like this. You ask a question, you get a 200-word reply, you copy the parts you need, and the original answer disappears. Next week, you start the process over again. Claude Artifacts turn that ephemeral text into a functional object. Instead of reading a paragraph, you interact with a dashboard, a tracker, or a calculator that renders directly inside the chat window. We are going to look at the anatomy of these tools, the 3 habits required to use them, and the specific time-saving payoff they provide. Turning a disposable chat into a persistent application changes how you manage recurring tasks. In Claude Cowork, when you prompt for an artifact, it renders as a dedicated HTML page beside your chat window. These saved workspaces live in a tab labeled Live Artifacts. These are live tools. Through the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, the artifact pulls fresh data from your external apps. It uses a short cache to load the page quickly, then re-queries those apps automatically whenever new information is needed. This feature is available on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans using the Claude Cowork desktop app for macOS and Windows. Every change you make is versioned in the background. If an update goes the wrong way, you can roll back to a previous iteration. These mechanics create a workspace that stays current and allows for low-risk experimentation. Using these tools well requires 3 habits. Habit 1. Ask for a thing, not a sentence. Instead of asking to summarize my Q3 numbers, ask to build a Q3 dashboard with revenue and pipeline broken out by quarter. Habit 2. Name the specific software tools that hold your data directly in the brief. When you specify your Slack mentions channel, your Google Calendar, and your linear queue, the artifact builds exact MCP queries for those sources. The dashboard opens with current data every time with a reprompt. Habit 3. Reopen and iterate. You open the saved artifact on Monday morning to see the current state, then refine it through the chat. If you need a change, you can tell Claude to add a column for owner or swap the bar chart for a line chart. The tool updates in place. These habits allow you to manage a suite of automated systems rather than manually gathering data every Monday morning. The manual Monday morning data check usually takes 30 minutes of repasting and reformatting. A live artifact reload takes 3 minutes. Over a month, that is 2 hours back for every persistent artifact you run, whether it is a weekly dashboard, a morning brief, or a competitor tracker. The time is recovered because the answer stays on your screen for the entire quarter. Artifacts is the second of 4 consumer surfaces in this ecosystem, sitting alongside Design, Chrome, and MCP. These surfaces rest on a foundational stack: projects for context, skills for workflow, Claude Code for local files, and plugins for team-scale deployment. Across all these tools, the objective is the same. Ask for a thing, not a sentence. Plain Bureau explains AI tools in plain English. This is post 6 of 8 in our Claude series, with Chrome and MCP coming next. The power of this ecosystem is in building tools that keep working, so you never have to re-ask the same question.